We've poured through mountains of research and countless scientific studies to craft the ultimate morning routine, one that's backed by science and designed specifically for you. This routine is engineered to ignite your motivation, skyrocket your energy, sharpen your focus, boost your mental performance, amplify your physical strength, build unshakable consistency, and double your productivity every single day. And the best part? It's incredibly simple to follow. Just 3 key phases, each packed with powerful habits that fit seamlessly into your morning. Phase 1, the first 5-minute power reset. The moment your eyes open, before you even think about grabbing your phone, remember this. Those first 5 minutes are game changers. Science shows that your brain's power switches in those early moments. You either set your mind up for a day of clarity and success, or trap yourself in distraction and fatigue. Imagine turning on your brain's full power mode in just 5 minutes. No caffeine, no forced motivation, no effort. This isn't a trendy life hack. It's a scientifically proven brain reset that millions silently practice worldwide. Here's what you must do in these crucial 5 minutes. Wake up earlier than usual. Research proves the first 2 hours after waking are your peak window for willpower, focus, and decision-making. Start by waking just 15 minutes earlier each day until you naturally rise by 6 a.m. Don't stress, take it slow. Your brain is nearly 75% water and is dehydrated after sleep. Studies by the National Library of Medicine reveal that even a 1 to 2% loss in hydration diminishes attention, memory, and mood. So before you check any notifications, grab a glass of water, 150 to 300 milliliters, and drink it slowly. This tiny act is your first little win of the day. Next, step into natural light. Morning sunlight doesn't just supply essential vitamin D, it resets your biological clock and sends your brain a wake-up signal. Research confirms 30 minutes of bright sunlight boosts alertness and harmonizes your circadian rhythm. Just stand by a window or on your balcony facing the sun. Finally, sit quietly and breathe deeply for a few minutes. No phone, no music, just fresh air, sunshine, and mindful breathing. Harvard Health studies confirm this simple practice reduces morning stress hormones, sharpens mental clarity, and uplifts mood. Try these 4 steps every morning. Wake early, hydrate, bask in sunlight, and breathe quietly. Do it for 7 days and feel how your mood sharpens, energy surges, and your mind clears. Phase 2. Activate your body and lock focus. Ever noticed how your body wakes up but your brain feels fuzzy, like cotton stuffed inside your head? That fuzzy fog slows your entire day's pace. A pace set by just 20 minutes of morning movement. To shake off the mental grogginess, move your body lightly for 15 minutes. No gym necessary. Sun salutations, yoga stretches, mindful walking, or simple calisthenics work wonders. Harvard research proves that light movement triggers dopamine, a natural mood, memory, and decision-making booster. Once your body is gently awake, clear your mind with 5 minutes of solitude. Sit calmly, take deep breaths, or jot down 3 things you're grateful for or your top 3 daily goals. This simple journal habit declutters your mental traffic, eases anxiety, and ignites clarity. The prefrontal cortex, the brain's calm command center, activates. This isn't just theory. Visionaries like Jay Shetty, Michelle Obama, and Kobe Bryant begin their day with mindful movement, followed by deep breathing and gratitude journaling. This discipline sharpens their minds and fuels their extraordinary achievements. Remember, clarity comes from engagement, not endless thinking. Phase 3. Fuel your body and dominate your day. Energy isn't magic, it's the result of science plus routine. Your brain and body after waking are like sponges, soaking in either vitality or fatigue depending on what you fuel them with. Start with a breakfast rich in protein and fiber. This stable combo keeps your blood sugar balanced and energy steady. Skip sugary or fried breakfasts that cause quick crashes. Ideal Indian options: poha with peanuts, moong dal chilas with green chutney, eggs with multigrain roti, or a bowl of oats topped with fresh fruit. Right after breakfast begins your prime mental window, 60 to 90 minutes of peak brain power. Use this sacred time for deep work, focused study, skill building, or progressing your passion projects. Distractions are minimal and your creativity soars. As Tim Ferriss famously says, win the morning, win the day. Real-life inspiration: meet Liv Kundan, a self-made millionaire and devoted single mother who starts her days at 4 a.m. She moves her body lightly, journals, eats a clean, high-protein breakfast, and then immerses herself in focused work for 90 minutes. Her secret? Discipline plus the right nutrition equals complete control over her day. Her evenings are fully dedicated to family and digital detox, showing us the power of a balanced life designed on purpose, not on autopilot. You now possess a scientifically engineered, easy-to-follow morning routine that can transform not just your mornings, but your entire life. It's time to act, not tomorrow, not next week, but starting tomorrow morning. Remember, controlling your morning means controlling your day, your success, and ultimately your destiny. If you want to take this further and master time management, beat procrastination, strengthen discipline, and build unstoppable consistency, consider exploring structured courses designed for elite performers. If this guide resonated with you, make sure to incorporate these phases into your routine starting tomorrow, and watch how your life shifts to a new level of focus, energy, and achievement. Your most powerful, productive self is waiting. Rise and claim it. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired, stay unstoppable.